Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute snowman on Dress to Impress. I used obviously the accessory adjustment feature for this, so let's get started. This is the full guide on the accessory adjustments and the accesses and stuff like that. So pay attention. For the body at the very bottom, I used this hair and I colored it white. For the position, for the y-axis, I did 0. Rotation, I did the x at 0.22 and the scale at 1. For the middle body, I used the fur hat at 0.30 for the y-axis and 0.58 for the z-axis for the positioning. For the rotation, I didn't do anything, and for the scale, I put it at 1. For the head, I used this beanie and I toggled it to no ears. For the accessory adjustment, I did 0.69 on the y-axis and 0.68 on the z-axis for the positioning. And then the scale I did at 1. For the hat, I used the Christmas hat from the Christmas event. For the y-axis, I put it at 1, and the z-axis, I put it at 0.71 for the position. For the rotation, I did z-axis at 0.64, and I didn't scale it up. For the eyes, I used this headband and I colored it black and white for the colors. For the accessory adjustment, I did 0.78 on the y-axis and 0.49 on the z-axis for the positioning. And for the scale, I did scale it down to 0.45. For the nose, I used the unicorn horn from the VIP section. Unfortunately, you cannot use the microphone or the ice cream cone for this, so you do need VIP. For the positioning, Y at 0.95, Z-axis at 0.45, and then the scale I did 0.31. Then for the twigs, I also used this from the VIP section, which is the antlers for the twigs, colored it brown and also put it in matte. Positioning, Z-axis at 0.61, rotation, X at 0.09, and scale I did 0.75. And for the smile, I did this cowboy hat, and then I positioned it at Y-axis 0.87, Z-axis at 0.45, rotation, X at 0.6, and scale is at a 0. That was for the cowboy hat, I think. Yeah. And for the scarf / twinkling lights, I used this headpiece, and then I colored it green, and then green, red, and yellow, and I colored, all the materials I use are neon except for the strings. For the position, I did X at 0.53, Y at 0.61, Z at 0.37, and for the rotation, I did X at 0.67, Y at 0.89, Z at 0.84, and the scale I did at 1. And for the body, I used the scarf, colored it white, and then this feather dress, I toggled it to matte and colored it white. And that is it. That's how you can create this super cute snowman on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.